Griqua. Bastard Hottentots was one of the terms applied to people of mixed Khoisan, slave and European descent, in the frontier zone. The Kok and Berends families attracted a following, who migrated through Namaqualand and up the Orange River. Here they called themselves Griqua, from a name of Cape Khoi members of their group. Other bastards remained south of the Orange River, settling at mission stations in the Karoo. Some later moved northwards beyond the encroaching colony. The histories of the Griqua and Berends were shaped by the unique circumstances of the frontier. Their settlements at Klawater, later Griqua Town, and Campbell, were established in the company of missionaries, and their Western clothing and customs, rifles, horses and wagons set them apart from other people in the area. They entered agreements with the Cape government to regulate trade between themselves and neighboring tribes beyond the northern frontier. Yet these mission communities interacted with, and to some extent absorbed, indigenous individuals and groups. At one Griqua mission station, later named in his honor, the Reverend John Campbell said, "The people of this little village seem to live as one family." 5 languages were spoken, namely Dutch, Karana, Botswana, Hottentot, and Bushman. Under missionary guidance, the Griqua adopted a formal constitution in 1813, and Griqua town coins were struck in England a year later, which bore an image of a dove, the emblem of the London Missionary Society. Some Griqua, who in the 1820s rejected missionary control, came to be known as Bergens. Led by Andries Hendricks, and, for a time, Coenraad de Buys, among others, the Bergens also absorbed individuals from disrupted communities of Karana and San in the region. Adam Kok II was the first Griqua captain at Klawater. Later, mistrusting the missionaries as colonial agents, he led a breakaway faction and moved to establish the Philippolis captaincy. In his place, Andries Waterboer was appointed captain at Griqua town in 1820. His son, Captain Nicholas Waterboer, was awarded the disputed Diamond Fields in the arbitration of 1871. Colonial rule had been extended northeastwards, after the discovery of diamonds in the region, in the late 1860s. The Crown Colony of Griqua Land West was proclaimed in 1874, and incorporated into the Cape Colony in 1880. Adam Kok III was the Griqua captain at Philippolis, who in 1860–1863, led an epic trek across the Drakensberg to Normansland, subsequently called East Griqua Land. The Griqua were principally pastoralists, traders and hunters. The missionaries encouraged agriculture, and wheat was cultivated around the settlements.